How does soil microbiology affect farmland fertility? Imagine walking through a farm and not seeing just dirt but a bustling city of tiny organisms working nonstop beneath your feet. Soil microbiology is the community of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms living in the soil. These tiny workers play a big role in how fertile the land really is. For anyone looking into farmland investment or assessing property value, understanding this hidden world can make a real difference. Soil microbes are like nature's recycling team. They break down organic matter such as crop leftovers, roots, and manure into simple nutrients. This process releases vital elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which plants need to grow strong and healthy. Without active microbial communities, organic material would just pile up, and plants wouldn't get the nutrients they need. That would mean poorer soil fertility and lower crop yields over time. Microorganisms also help build the soil's structure. Fungi produce sticky substances that hold soil particles together into clumps called aggregates. These aggregates improve water flow, making it easier for roots to reach moisture and nutrients. They also help prevent erosion by keeping soil in place. Bacteria contribute by producing organic acids that help break down minerals, releasing even more nutrients for plants. When microbes work together like this, they create a stable, fertile environment that supports healthy crop growth. The diversity of soil microbes is a good sign of soil health. Fertile soils tend to have a wide variety of bacteria and fungi. These diverse communities can process different organic materials and keep nutrient cycles running smoothly. For example, soils rich in nutrients often have many fast-growing bacteria like protobacteria and bacteroidetes. On the other hand, less fertile soils may be dominated by bacteria like acidobacteria, which are adapted to low nutrient levels. This balance of microbes can tell you a lot about the soil's potential for farming. Farming practices have a big impact on soil microbes and, in turn, on soil fertility. Using organic amendments like compost or manure encourages beneficial microbes. Synthetic fertilizers can sometimes disrupt microbial balance if used excessively. Tillage or plowing can break up fungal networks and disturb microbial habitats, reducing their activity. On the other hand, practices like no-till farming and cover cropping help preserve and promote healthy microbial communities. Cover crops add organic matter and support microbial diversity, which boosts soil health over time. For farmland investors or appraisers, looking at the soil microbiology can reveal how resilient and productive a property might be. Soils with active, diverse microbial populations are more likely to sustain high yields with fewer inputs. They also tend to maintain their structure and fertility longer, making the land more valuable in the long run. Conversely, degraded soils with poor microbial health may need costly restoration efforts like organic amendments or reduced tillage to regain productivity. When evaluating land, soil testing that includes microbial biomass and diversity gives a clearer picture of soil health. Properties with strong microbial activity often command higher prices because they are more likely to produce consistent yields and requiring less chemical input. Understanding how management practices influence soil biology can also help decide whether a farm is a good long-term investment or needs rehabilitation. In the end, soil microbiology is a key driver of farmland fertility. Microorganisms recycle nutrients, improve soil structure, and respond to farming methods in ways that directly impact crop yields and soil longevity. For anyone involved in agricultural real estate, paying attention to the health of these tiny organisms is essential. It's not just about current productivity, but about the land's ability to stay productive and valuable well into the future.